All right, Bitcoin dominance. I've seen some analysts calling for 40% Bitcoin dominance, and I don't agree with that. I think it's going to be higher. I think there's too much money in Bitcoin now with the ETF stuff. I don't think it's going to be like last cycles. There's not going to be everyone just leaving Bitcoin for other coins. So, given that, if that is in fact how it plays out, I would suspect mid to upper 40s, which, you know, you can't really see it on the monthly here, but like this is like a pretty solid weekly. And you can kind of see like range highs up here, 48%. And we still have a ways to go. But in my opinion, alt season really starts below here, 54%, which I've been saying for 6, 8, 12 months since we got up here, right? The start of the year, right? We formed this base, left it, right? Here's our ranges. We haven't changed any of this stuff on this chart for a long time. And I do think this is out now, so we don't think we have to worry about that. That was our worry scenario if the high wasn't in. But I think Bitcoin dominance is now topped, especially with that pattern. Look at that bearish engulfing outside bearish bar on the monthly, confirming, seeing follow through. Like it's over for dominance, highly probable, 90% plus. Also, like going back to once we get down into the 40s, and I mean like 49, like it start to, you know, check left and right for traffic, right? We don't want to get blindsided here. Lower Bollinger Band also right there, right? Last cycles, lower Bollinger Band, like they opened, but this is gone, right? The times of these 2017 and even 2021, you can see the drastic drops wasn't quite drastic last cycle either. And I would suspect it's going to be even much less this time. And I wouldn't doubt if it even tops kind of right in here and we get this kind of almost like a really shallow. See like the harshness of this? Jesus, you can't even draw an angle on that versus this. And then we might even get like a little bit less here. Now, I don't think it's going to be out in here, right? I think it's probably going to be somewhere in this area. And depending on when, right? And not necessarily like the initial drop is not usually the top, but remember in May of 2021, right? When we bounced, we had that huge price drop in Bitcoin, right? Dominance goes up. But the Pico top was still pretty damn close, right? December 2021. That was our lowest we've ever been. So I would say somewhere in obviously this area. And I would almost lean up towards this area because of monthly Bollinger Band. So maybe we initially hit and then go down later. Ideally, this would be great, right? Look at the dates, like Q4 2025. This would be ideal. That's what we're wanting. But 40%, I'll take bets. Anybody wants to bet me Bitcoin dominance is going back to 40%? Yeah, nah. No way. I see no way. And even look at this, even though it's only two times low, higher low, I think much higher low. I think it's going to be up in this area. 45, 48, something in there. Prove me wrong.